So here we are now, we've come to the end of our DVD. I'd like to give you a few little tips and pointers about various aspects of decorative plastering. For instance, if you were doing a column, which is a round curved surface, whether it be a concrete finish or a gypsum plaster finish, the same procedure is going to apply as you would on a flat wall. The only difference is you're working a curve. You will start by priming your column, put on your base coat, working from the top of the column in a spiral motion going from left to right. Okay? Then when that dries and you're going to do your middle coat and you're doing what we call the levelling coat, the same as your Venetian plaster, you go from right to left, working away flush filling. Then it's ready for sanding. When you sand it down, you have a nice, smooth, even, curved surface. Then you're ready, you dust it down, you're ready to do your polish coats. I usually do 2 polish coats. I go left to right on one, right to left on the other, and then I shine it up as I'm working my way down the column. That's allowed to dry, and then you have your sealer coats and the option of wax if you want to use it. Now, if you were doing an external corner, there's 2 ways to do an external corner. One would be to work away from the corner, from left to right, pulling in from the corner, creating a heavy edge. Let that sit for about 20 minutes and then trim off the excess with a knife, a blade or a trowel. Okay, this wall has to be allowed to dry, and you do the same going the opposite direction, a heavy edge which is trimmed off, and between the two you bury the bead. This is then done again in the middle coat, and then when you get to your polished coat you would shine up one wall, trim off the heavy edge, you would allow this wall to dry, and then you would use your low tack, clean edge masking tape, very low tack so it doesn't damage your surface, tape off the corner that's finished, and do your finish going the opposite direction and trim off your excess, and this will give you a neat tidy corner. Now, as far as other surfaces go, Venetian plaster, Marbellino, metallics and iridescence can go over any sound dry solid surface. Okay, if it's peeling, flaky, damp or greasy, it needs to be cleaned and sealed before you apply any of these products. Okay. Now, the full range of tools and equipment are available from us, application trowels, column trowels, polishing trowels, and we have all our sealer coats, tints, Venetian plasters, waxes, metallics, iridescence, stone effects. Everything's available, so everything that you need is right here. We're also available for advice. If you have a problem and you need to talk to somebody about how you're going to fix it, what could be causing the problem, we're always available. Okay, and I think that covers about everything for now. The written instructions are going to be on our DVD. You can pop them into a PC and print out the instructions, and so as you watch the DVD you see the visual hands-on application. You also have your written instructions as a step-for-step guide. Okay, our product range is also going to be on the DVD, which is printable from a PC. So good luck with your project. We hope that everything works out, and we look forward to hearing from you in due course. And I would just like to say this, that's a wrap.